we're moving towards a world where programming will not be about, I got to understand JavaScript, C++, Python, and so on and so forth. We're going to get into a world where programming is writing prompts. Like you can program something by just typing a prompt in, and you're going to understand our languages, whether it's English or French or Spanish, whatever language you use. You just type in the prompt and it's going to do whatever you want it to do. AI isn't the threat. What are you talking about? AI isn't the threat. Isn't AI after my job? What are you talking about? Every time I watch the news, they talk about how AI is after my job. A lot of people are panicking right now. They think AI is after their jobs. AI is going to take their jobs. AI is going to do this, AI is going to do that. And according to experts, in the next 10 years, 1 billion jobs will be impacted by AI. Could they be wrong? Are they wrong? Or are they right? If AI is not the threat to my job right now, what then is the threat? Someone who knows how to use it. Oh my goodness, someone who knows how to use it. Where are you taking me to, Ben Riley? What are you talking about? Yeah, that's what we're going to be talking about today in this video. So if you get value from this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you can be the first person to be notified when we drop any future video like this. Let's get right into it. AI isn't a threat to you as a business owner or as an employee. Why? Because it is a tool and you can use it to become efficient and more than capable to achieve greatness in today's economy. A lot of people just neglect AI, but more than ever before, you got to know how to use it. You have to utilize it to your benefit. You got to understand what it's all about. That's how you're going to win in today's economy. It's very important. As much as you want to neglect it and as much as you want to stay away from it, you cannot stay away from it. I bet you there's no week that goes by that you don't hear this word come up in the conversation, whether it's with your friends, with your family. It just comes up. Either they're using it or they're talking about it. It would come up naturally. Why? Because it is the future. According to some estimates, about $1.8 trillion is going to be created within now to 2030. This is 2025. And by 2030, that's 5 years from now, about $1.8 trillion will be created globally for this amazing industry, the AI industry. So when you hear numbers like that, you understand that this is a technology that is here to stay. So the better you understand how to use it, the better for you. Because you can't escape from this train. And as we go past 2030, it's going to grow exponentially. So everybody will strategize now and utilize AI platforms to their benefit. Those are the people who are going to make it big in business. If you're a content creator, you got to know how to utilize AI to be more efficient and more productive in your content creation aspiration. Because if you're using the old way of editing video, that you got to take a long time to edit one video, let's just assume you use about 3 days to edit a video, and someone is utilizing AI to create the same quality or even a higher quality than what you're producing, and the person is using about 40 minutes or less to produce that same video, what are you doing? You better know how to utilize it for your benefit, because how do you compete with that person if you're going to use 2 to 3 days to produce one video and the person is using 40 minutes to produce one video? God damn, you're going to be crushed. So it is high time you utilize those platforms that are doing great things to your benefit and be more productive. It does not only stop at content creation, it also goes to people who are employees. If you're working for a company right now, it is high time you start seeing or understanding how to utilize these amazing platforms around, all these AI platforms, to your benefit. How can you use it to understand how to do your job better? Because it's going to help you drastically, and you're going to realize that you're improving at your job site, and your boss is going to be satisfied with what you do. Mind you, your job is not a risk. to an AI chatbot. Yeah, there's some jobs which sometimes are not really relevant. Those jobs are going to be cut off and wiped away. But some other jobs, your job is a risk by someone who knows how to utilize AI to be more efficient and productive. Why should your boss not hire that person instead of letting you stay? You got to start thinking right now. Because if you're not thinking, you're going to be obsolete in the next 2 to 3 years. So it is high time you get to this AI train. You just hop in and start becoming a great student who understands and knows how to use it to your benefit. And you look at what we're moving towards right now. We're moving towards a world where programming will not be about, I got to understand JavaScript, C++, Python, and so on and so forth. We are slowly moving to a world, like in the next decade, we're going to get into a world where programming is writing prompts. Like you can program something by just typing the prompt in, and you're going to understand our languages, whether it's English or French or Spanish, whatever language you use. You just type in the prompt and it's going to do whatever you want it to do. That's what we're moving into right now. It may sound scary, but to those who understand the technology and know how to use it well, they're excited because they know, oh God, exciting times are ahead. So you got to understand this thing. It's very important and know that experts are saying 1 billion jobs are going to be impacted. Mind you, there's some jobs that are going to be created. So jobs are not just going to go away without another job coming into existence. That's how every time there is something that is going to change the world drastically, people always complain about it and try to see how they can stop it because they believe it's going to take away their livelihood and they don't know what they're going to do once the job is gone. But you got to know, I can do better. I can achieve better. I can use this thing as a tool to my benefit, so I'm empowered. Even if you're laid off from your job now and you know how to utilize this platform, when you're going into your other job, like for example, if you want to get another job, you're prepared and you use or utilize these platforms to your benefit. You understand how you can be of help to the company that you're actually going to work for. And when you're going for the interview, you're prepared. You're like, you guys are behind this and this and this. Yes, where I see that I can be of help to you guys, I can do this, do that to help the company be more productive. Oh boy, they're going to be excited to have you. But if you come, you sit there and they ask you questions about efficiency, productivity, and you don't even know how you can utilize AI to your benefit, then my brother, my sister, you're in the wrong game. You have to know how to use this thing. Trust me, it is going to help you and it's going to improve you. Because you see, the world we are living right now, we cannot just avoid it. You have to be the one who succeed in this economy. And AI is here to stay, unfortunately, for those who don't want it to be here. And people who just want it to go away, it's not going away. So it's high time we utilize it to our benefit. Please don't stay away from it. Because I see a lot of people are becoming like grandparents. You know, when you're trying to explain some things about the internet to your grandmom or your granddad, like, hey, mommy, granddad, this is what's going on. You're explaining to them, oh, this is how the internet operates. You know, during their time, they had no internet. So you explain to them, oh, this is how it works. And you're excited talking to them. Guess what? There are a lot of people right now who are like grannies who don't know nothing about these AI platforms right now. They don't know nothing. So you got to explain to them as grannies, you don't want to be a granny when it's not your time. Please understand this technology. I'm begging you. It's going to help you drastically. It's going to help you. And the good thing about this is you can learn anything you want to learn. You can learn any skill. You become way better at anything. Be it communication, be it leadership, any topic. Just pick a topic and it's going to give you a breakdown of everything you should know about that thing. And you got to know how to prompt right. The right prompt is very important. You got to put in the right prompt to get the right answers, get the right response, get resourceful information that will help you succeed in today's economy. AI is the present and future, baby. Stay blessed. Thank you very much and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.